My bike check.
Shadow Little One pegs, Bandero hub, Primo spokes, Odyssey hazard light rims, Fit FAF tires, Sunday morning forks, Sunday Pro Aaron Ross edition, Primo headset, Sunday stem, Primo tallboy bars, ODI long necks, grips, yeah, Eastern pedals, great pedals, Thunderbolts Odyssey, great cranks, Primo sprocket, holds forever, Shadow Conspiracy chain, very nice. Got the Odyssey hazard light in the back, Primo spokes, Odyssey B3 casket, yep, Shadow Little One still, rocking it. Got the Sunday seat clamp, even says Sunday. I got the Odyssey seat and the Odyssey seat post.